In this video, you will learn how to permanently delete your Roblox account. Log into your Roblox account, sign into Roblox on your account you want to delete by using your username and password. Go to the help page, scroll to the bottom of your Roblox website, then click help to open the Roblox support page. Click contact us. On the help page, click on find contact us link to open your contact form. Fill out the contact form, enter your account information, which will include your username and email address and even your password under your issued details, then select data privacy request or right to be forgotten. Submit the request. Write a short message asking Roblox to delete your account, then click submit to send your request to Roblox Support. Wait for confirmation. Check your email for a confirmation message from Roblox Support. They'll process your request and notify you once your account has been permanently deleted. Now you know. Now you know how to permanently delete your account on Roblox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.